How you doing? This is Dan Swede with Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. Here, the second trailer going out to Ohio Clean Cans out of Mainville, Ohio. This one is a titanium trash bin cleaning trailer, dual bin lifter, dual cleaning, 4 nozzle cleaning head, 3,500 psi at 9-gallon hot water power washer, full 17-stage wastewater recovery, and full wastewater recycling system on here. You can actually recycle the wastewater multiple times, extending the amount of run time you can have and giving you up to nearly 900 gallons of wash water off of one single 270 gallon tank that you start with. And the disposal of the wastewater is made easier because we're down to 5 micron oil water separator, phosphate filtration, chloride filtration, everything needed. You cannot just illegally dump unfiltered wastewater into RV parks and car wash drains behind people's backs. So you want to do it right, and this is the only way to really achieve it. So I want to thank Howard from Ohio Clean Cans for his purchase of his second trailer rig.